Welcome to our step-by-step guide on using ElevenLabs for voiceover gigs in 2025. Let's dive into the exciting possibilities. In 2025, the demand for voiceover gigs continues to soar as businesses seek engaging audio content. Let's set up your ElevenLabs account. Follow these steps to get started seamlessly. ElevenLabs offers powerful features for voice customization and editing. Let's explore what you can do. Now, let's look at top platforms where you can find voiceover gigs that match your skills. Building a strong portfolio with your ElevenLabs voice samples is essential for attracting clients. Setting the right price for your voiceover services can be a game changer. Here are some strategies. Let's discuss how to market your voiceover services effectively using social media and networking. Client feedback is invaluable for improving your services and growing your business. Let's see how to utilize it. The future of voiceover work with ElevenLabs is bright. Let's recap the key takeaways from today's guide.